Everyone laughed at Poku when he said he wanted to move to the city. But one day, everything changed. Poku lived in a small town in Ghana. He was 28 years old. He worked on a farm with his father. Every day was the same: wake up, work, sleep. But Poku had a different dream. He wanted a new life. He wanted to move to Accra, the big city. One evening, Poku told his friends, "I want to go to the city. I want to learn new skills. I want a better future." His friends laughed. "You? In the city?" they said. "You have no money. You have no job. Stay here." Poku felt sad, but he did not stop dreaming. The next week, he saved all his money. He sold his old radio. He packed one small bag. And early in the morning, he left the village. The bus ride was long. The road was dusty. Poku felt nervous, but he also felt excited. When he arrived in Accra, everything was new. Tall buildings, busy streets, many people, many cars. Poku had no place to stay. He slept in a small room with 3 other men. He worked many small jobs. He cleaned shops. He carried boxes. He washed cars. It was hard. Sometimes he wanted to go home, but he remembered his dream. One day, he saw a sign: "Learn computer skills, free training." Poku joined the class. He learned to type. He learned to use email. He learned to make simple designs. He practiced every day. He worked hard. He never gave up. After 3 months, the teacher said, "Poku, you are very good. I know a company that needs a helper. Do you want the job?" Poku said yes. The company liked him. They liked his smile. They liked his hard work. Soon, they gave him more tasks. Then they gave him a full-time job. Poku now had a small apartment. He had a stable salary. He could send money home. He could help his family. 1 year later, Poku returned to his village for a visit. His friends looked at him with surprise. "You did it," they said. "We were wrong." Poku smiled. He said, "Dreams are not easy, but dreams are possible." The moral of the story is, believe in your dream, even when others do not. Vocabulary: a village. A village is a small place where people live. Future: the time that comes after today. Dusty: covered with dust. Skills: things you can do well. Salary: money you get from your job. Possible: something that can happen.